Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning everyone. Mayong buntag sa tanan. Ahora es lunes. Today is Monday, everyone. And 4th of August. And time check 4:08. And the weather for today is about 17 degrees, everyone. So, ayan, akala nyo may araw dahil yellow yung shadow ng lang po yan, mga street lights, everyone. So, umalis ako ng it's the same, lumabas ako 4:08. I want to catch up the 52, the first bus, kung dito pa rin siya dadaan sa diversion na to. Kasi pag Sabado at Linggo, hindi ako napupunta sa way dito ng 52. Kaya, ayun, someone saying that go to normal way. So, I don't know which one is normal way. So that's it, everyone. See you when I see you. And Lunes again. So no more 15 walks. I think it's just 10 minutes walk. So that's it. And God bless everyone. Kain tayo, everyone. My breakfast. Ayan kay Sister Jocelyn. Good morning pa rin. Kahit ang hali na. Time check. 11:27, everyone. Galing ako ng Kilburn. Nag-ayos ng bangko dahil ang ganda ng parang orchids, pero hindi naman, diba? Nice, the flowers, it's like a pretty mini orchids. No, it's not. So dito tayo, everyone. Ito yung may maraming mga bulaklak. Pag dito ako dumadaan, nakaka-good vibes. Dahil ang dami, grabe. Ay, wala. Diba? Pag-good vibes. See, pauwi na ako, everyone. Pero lunch ko ngayon, kaya kain tayo, everyone. Ayan si nanay, everyone. Masakit daw ang leeg. Mukhang long hair ka, nanay, Meron pa siyang pabulitas. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check 3:24. Pasok again. Pasok tayo sa hapon hanggang gabi, everyone. Meron akong racket ngayon, kaya diretso kailangan maaga makauwi para ayun. So, see you later, everyone. Uy, malakas ang hangin. Lumilipad ang sombrero. Yan, oh. Mahangin, di ba? So, that's it, everyone. Cloudy today. Parang may may bagyo. Yan, di ba? See you again. Later again, everyone. First train, everyone. My favorite city. Second train, everyone. Sakto, Algate. Time check, 15:38. So, 2, 4, 5. Dito tayo sa panglimang pinto, everyone. Tapos, ay tayo dito. Yun yung upuan namin ni Sister Myrel pag-uwian. Pero dito na ako.
The next station is Baker Street.
So, ayun. Pagpitan natin. Way out, everyone. Ayan, way out. Time check, 16:01. Early ako ngayon, everyone. Let's go there. Going home, everyone. Standing ovation Monday. Time check. Alas 8:30. Let's go. Dito sa maraming pindot-pindot. Ayan o. No. Because of diversion. Yan. Iba-iba ang maraming pindutan dito. This is it. I'm going dito sa racket ko. Kaya, ayun lang everyone. See you after 2 hours. Bye at the moment. While thinking kung ano ang aking i-dinner ngayon. My dinner. The small pizza. It's supposed to be, I'm planning the big bite there. The chicken and the chips. But when I saw this one, let me check and let me try this mozzarella. Yeah. And after the racket there. So, let's check. Kasi wala naman na sina nanay. Hindi ko alam kung natuloy silang umalis ng kuya. So, yun lang everyone. Sabi ng kuya, Hindi daw sila kakain ng kanin. So, ayun. That's it, everyone. See you later in my cage, everyone. Kain tayo, everyone. While watching Tanggol. Palakahin natin.
Oh, ano balita?
Hawag na namin sa matindi.
Mabuti. Siguraduhin yung hindi maka...
Good night. God bless and I love you all.